አንድ ሰዎችን አሜሪካን ሀገር የሚኖሩ አበሾችን ስራ ፈልገው እንዲያገኙ ረድቻቸዋለሁ። በዚህ ጊዜ ውስጥ የተማርኩትን አንድ ነገር ልንገራችሁ። አንዳንድ ሰዎች I'm like looking at it, we're working together እና እንደዚህ እያየሁት በቃ they're doing good, you know 1 2 3 4 ኢንተርቪው ስኬጁል ተደርገዋል ምናምን። ከዛ እነዛ ኢንተርቪው ላይ ይገቡና when they get rejected they give up። ከዛ በኋላ ለተወሰነ ጊዜ ደግሞ ስራ ሳይመልሱላቸው ሲቀር ወይም ሪጀክትድ ሲደረጉ they give up when they're about to succeed. So you guys, this is what happens. ለሶስት ወር ለአራት ወር የምትሰሩት ስራ compiled ሆኖ ውጤት ልክ ልታገኙ ስትሉ give up ማድረግ is the thing that holds you back. So if you guys are looking for a job, you've been at it for the past 4 months, 3 months, and you've been getting a few interviews, a few callbacks, a few LinkedIn requests to connect and whatnot, that means what you're doing is working. Okay, so ባገኛችሁት opportunity መሰረት ወይም ባጣችሁት opportunity መሰረት ማስተካከል ያለባችሁ መጨመር ያለባችሁ መቀነስ ያለባችሁ ነገር እያያችሁ you have to keep going. If you give up, then you're never gonna get the fruit of your labor. ይህን ሁሉ ጊዜ የለፋችሁበትን ውጤት አታገኙ. So you guys, if you are doing something for a while and then you are seeing results, you shouldn't stop. That means you should keep going. መቀጠል ነው ያለባችሁ። በተረፈ guys, if you need help landing a job አሜሪካ ውስጥ ያላችሁ አበሻ ከሆናችሁ link in bio to book a consultation call with me. Okay, bye you guys.